Hello everyone, Stan Heller here from VectorVest. I'm excited to speak with you today about our Better Investing Seminar, May 4th and 5th in Toronto. If you're new to investing, or maybe you're a long-term investor, or even a short-term trader, or maybe you're a current subscriber and you just need a little extra help to invest a better way in these volatile markets, then this is the seminar for you. I really like the logical, sequential format of this new seminar. On day one, we're going to show you how you can know when to buy and what to buy, including a better way to analyze your stocks and find the ones that are suitable for your investment goals. We'll teach you everything you need to know about market bottoms and market tops, as well as day-to-day timing so that you're always on the right side of the market. Notice one of my favorite topics, bottom fishing with precision. Steve Chappell, our Director of Trading Systems, is the expert in this field. Steve will show you how to identify the market bottoms and, just as important, find the best stocks that have the most potential to explode off of those bottoms. I believe this alone can pay for the course many times over. Day two covers in detail the topic of when to sell. And let's face it, knowing when to sell is something most investors struggle with, but it's absolutely one of the keys to your success. We'll take the time to show you how to incorporate sensible sell rules into the steps you need to build a rules-based trading system, one that delivers consistent, healthy gains without the worry and without the emotions that keep getting in the way. At the end of day two, you will have the foundation for putting together, finally, on paper, a rules-based trading solution, one that you've tested and one that you will have the confidence to follow. If you live in the Toronto area, I want to extend my personal invite for you to attend the live event. It would be wonderful to see you. Throughout the 2 days, you will have unprecedented access to the very best instructors, including Steve, who I mentioned already, Ray Clark, our Director of Educational Services, and Kathy Onan, a senior instructor who many of you have met already, as she is a frequent and popular instructor up here in Canada. As an added bonus, we have partnered with Horizons ETF Management. Their representatives will be available during the seminar to answer any questions you might have about ETF trading strategies and to discuss their award-winning ETF lineup. In closing, I hope you can attend the live event. I guarantee it will be a great learning experience and a lot of fun. But if you can't attend live, a terrific option is to attend in the comfort of your own home through our live streaming. You will see and hear everything. You will have your own slides to follow along, and of course you can ask your questions at any time. It's just like being there. Finally, something important. You don't need to worry about getting overwhelmed with information. Everyone who attends the live event or the live streaming will have access to the video recordings of the complete seminar for a full 60 days after the live event. We call it the Better Investing Seminar. Click on the links below to secure your spot, and we'll look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you, everyone.